Hello, and welcome to day 4, Thursday, October 1st. We are in Module 2. Today, this is what we're going to do. First, you'll watch this video. Then, we will click Async. We have one activity to do in Async, and it is a discussion. So, you are going to complete page 13 in your book. And then you're going to write a paragraph using those 4 sentences together. You can also add more sentences if you choose. Okay? You can type your paragraph in the discussion or write it on a piece of paper very clearly and take a picture and put it in the discussion. Whatever you choose to do. Be sure to check for spelling and for grammar and punctuation errors. All right, let's see what's in sync. So in sync, we are going to review fragments and create sentences from fragments and review workbook pages. I will also be meeting with the Achieve 3000 groups and to do some small work on main idea. And that's it for today. Good luck.